All right, Mike about to do here again with a special unboxing of my new Samsung.
No, it's my
Wait,
TV.
not Samsung. TLC.
And it's mine.
It's yours.
Not his.
Why is it yours? It's mine.
It's going in
I
my
bought it for
room.
me though. I like
It's
it.
going in my room.
Oh, it's going in your room?
Yeah, you have nowhere else to put it but my room.
Okay, well, this is a 1080p, not 4K, because 4K in a 32-inch, you can't see, but that's 32-inch, is super expensive. So we're going to go with the 1080p version. Smart. And this is what?
Google TV.
Google TV. That's right.
Newest thing.
Yep, 1080p, full HD resolution. This is a new, the S series. This came out this year. It's 2023 model. So the guy at the Best Buy said it just came out freaking like 2 weeks ago. The rep over there, whatever, we'll see. But basically, we're gonna unbox this and we're gonna power it up so we can take a look and see how it is. All right. So let's see what we got in the box here. Any other information we need here? Dolby. Dolby. Let's see what we got. Some information here. What does it say? Full view bezel, high dynamic range. This is an LED TV, dynamic range. Can also be used as a PC for monitor. Oh, I got a new monitor for my.
This big old thing.
Yeah, thousands of streaming apps. Voice remote. Okay, you want to do it? Okay, do it.
Actually, you do it.
Okay, let me do it here. Let's see what we got here. What do we got over here? All right, so let's put this up here. Okay. All right. So you want to pull it, pop it? Come on, it's your TV. It's your TV. Pop it. Now you don't want to be seen on the TV?
I don't see a video.
Okay, so can we see anything here? See anything here?
Ooh, we gotta take it out.
Yeah, so, well, we can go this. We can go one thing at a time, though. So on the top, what do we got? We got the remote right here. Remote. We got the legs. Batteries.
And the
Manual.
Just basic things.
Okay, what else we got?
Take it out.
Take it out. Sweet TV. Oh, okay. All right, so let me push this down over here. Okay. There's the TV. So, wow. Pull it. Okay. Oh, it's beauty. Look at that. And so let's see how thin it is. Can we see it there on the TV? Okay.
Turn to the side.
So you can see it's can you see that?
Yeah.
So it's pretty thin, I guess. I mean,
It's thin.
it's all right, you know.
Careful, don't scratch it.
Scratching nothing. On the back, basically.
It's a regular TV.
Got the power. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the power connector right there, and I think it's stuck in there. You can't pull it out, which kind of sucks. And then over here, can you see that? Make it. Can you see good? All right, so we got the USB connector on the top there. We got a RJ45 Ethernet cable there. We got the cable antenna cable here. Optical here for digital optical. Two HDMI cables, plugins. One audio video yellow adapter plug-in. Interesting. That's old school. And then look at that. It even has a headphone jack.
What?
Yeah, that's kind of cool. And, all right, so that's that there.
That's it.
All right, so then let's wait a second while I can just put on the legs real quick so we can see. All right.
Why putting it on?
Pause it real quick here. Hang on. Pause. All right, so we're booting it up now. And we got it mounted on the wall, as you can see here. My kid's room.
My little room.
All right, so this is basically Android booting up. So it's going to take about a few moments here to boot up. So we'll wait for this to boot up.
TCL.
It's basically like imagine your Android phone booting up. It's the same boot animation and everything because it's Google TV. So it's the same, basically the same software, but for a TV basically. Modified for a TV. And it's like the little boot animation script that it's doing there, which looks really, really cool.
Cool. And it says
Google TV. Will you look at that, George? All right. So what's the first thing it asks? What's your region? U.S.
Well, actually, it said, what was it?
Okay.
United States.
All right. Then what does it say
Set
here?
up. And I set up. I want to set it up.
Set up Google TV.
I want to set it up. I don't want to go back.
Okay. Okay, go ahead, click it. Wait, we don't have Google TV.
You don't?
No, hit the back arrow.
Oh yeah, huh? So set up basic TV.
Yeah, basic TV. What's this?
Pause it.
So here is wants to connect to my routers.
Which one is it?
So 1 second while we connect. All right, so now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi mesh network.
Connect.
Oh, checking for updates. Oh, it's gonna update now. Oh, it's gonna take like forever.
No, it's going fast.
Yeah, but that's just it's checking. I'm sure there's probably gonna be an update.
Doubt it. It's new TV.
It's only it's about a month old. Hopefully
I don't think there'll be updates yet.
there's always bugs on the original launches, so we'll see what this does here. So we'll wait.
Alright.
All right, so now it's asking hi there, and it's
Terms,
giving you
services,
basically
everything you don't care about. Except.
basically giving your life away, and
Yeah,
then
bye.
well, Google services. What does it say there?
Home. Best for TV use at home.
Home. Oh yeah, home. Home. What is a user?
Okay, I don't really care.
Okay,
I'm
agree.
I never read any of this.
Okay, agree. What else does it say?
Yeah.
Allow. Just get the latest and greatest from
Please press and hold the home and OK button. What? Oh, okay. And then same time, key remote within 3 feet of your TV. Click the right button, skip remote. Oh, remote pairing.
You're already paired.
Oh, I'm doing it again.
That's weird.
Okay. What do I do?
It just told you what to do.
This is your TV and remote. Okay, there.
Okay. Man, I should have got a tripod. My hand's getting tired here.
Use your other hand.
Adding finishes, touches. Oh man. All right, we'll wait for this thing to finish. All right, so looks like we're in the home screen now. So we basically got your Netflix, your inputs. So you can check your different inputs if you got like
it has their own
cable
channel.
TV, TLC channel.
TC home.
Okay.
I don't know what that is. That and that.
Scroll down. Is there like a down go scroll?
Set up Google TV.
Is there anything down? There's nothing
That's
else?
it. Yeah.
Those are how do you go to your app store?
You have to set it up.
No, that's for TV. We're not paying for TV.
Not only you can use it.
Go to your apps. Where's your app store?
That's it. You have to do that.
No, go to the right.
There isn't
Go
an
right.
app store.
There has to be an app store.
There's not. You have to set up the Google TV.
Let's see, go back.
What?
Go to the app store. Then go to the set up the TV then. Set up TV. We have to put this to your account.
That's fine. What's it doing?
I don't know. It's connecting. So I think then what I'm thinking is it's gonna. You're gonna have to put your Google account on here.
That's fine.
Yep. What
I
okay.
don't want my information on your.
Okay. All right. So my kid basically signed in her account, and now it went through a bunch of accept things again, and all that good stuff that they get you with, and now it's just installing the apps. This will take a little bit of time.
What apps? I didn't even pick anything.
No, but it's got its default Android apps.
Oh, okay.
All right. Wait, installing your apps?
But I didn't click anything.
I don't know if it's taking it from your backup.
It's taking it from my phone.
I think so, dude.
Bro!
Whoa, this is gonna take like a year.
I have too many apps on my phone. Can I go back?
Oh, I know.
Wait, can I go back?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep. Did it tell you to restore your apps? Did it ask you that question?
Are you sure I can't go back?
You could try. I doubt it though.
Let me go back.
All right, I'll stop it here. Okay, so finished installing all the apps. That took about 30 minutes.
It did not take that long.
Okay.
Like 10.
All right, go. So there it is. So that's Google. It's got the Google operating system because it's Google TV. It's like a Google Chrome.
This is cool. It has Prime.
So scroll down.
Oh shoot! It's connected to everything.
Does it?
Yes.
Is it all your stuff?
Yes.
Let's see. Scroll down.
Beauty, we love.
Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Whoa! Your stuff. Heaven.
Oh
Okay, scroll up. Scroll up.
I love the TV already.
Okay, so go is now. Where's your your apps?
I'm scared.
Oh, it does have your apps.
I'm scared.
Does it already have Spotify installed?
I'm scared.
Go back to see if it has.
Dude, it didn't install my apps, you liar.
Then I was just setting everything up, huh?
Yeah. He was saying this.
It's like your phone, huh?
Oh my god, this is so cool. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Can we go to YouTube?
Yeah, go back.
Oh.
Hit the back arrow.
I want to see. I want to see how it looks.
Okay, I'll pause it for a second because it might ask for your account. Yeah. So okay. So look, it's got everything installed there. Don't play because it's gonna get copyrighted. Okay, just go down.
Oh,
So YouTube loaded up right away. So yeah, it's got YouTube and it's all set. So go back to the main screen. Hit the home button.
Okay.
And that's basically it. So there you go. You got the TLC, TCL,
wait, does it actually?
Google TV.
It has so many apps. Like it literally is everything.
And my kid is loving it because she had an old Cydia, whatever TV. It was whack. And this is it. So that's it basically. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Until next time, peace out.